Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to discuss about AutoCAD interface. When you open the AutoCAD file, you will be redirected to this window. This workspace you can arrange according to your convenience. Here I have set up the workspace as AutoCAD Classic workspace. This I'll explain you in the upcoming videos how we can set up the workspace according to our convenience, how we can arrange the toolbars, everything I'll explain you in the upcoming lectures. Now let us explore the menu bars available in AutoCAD. On the top left corner you will be having this icon, AutoCAD symbol. In this icon you will be having many options like new, open, save, save as, import, export and all. These are all for printing and publishing purpose, and this is for close. Even we have the shortcut for this options. This is new. Shortcut menu is for creating a new file. If you click on this itself indicates you can create a blank drawing file. New file you can create by using this option. And next one is open. You can open the existing drawing file. If you click on this, you will be getting this window. If you have any existing AutoCAD files, that will be shown here. You can click on that particular file and then give open, so that the particular drawing will open by using this option. Next one is save. This you all know. By using this we can save the file, and then this is save as option. This is open from web or mobile. This is to save to web or mobile, and then this is for plot option, because this is very important one. Anyway, if any drawing we do in AutoCAD file, or if you wanted to save it as a PDF file, you have to use this option, that is plot. And you can even use the keyboard shortcut keys Control P for this option. And next one is undo and redo. And if you come over here and if you click on this, you will be getting many options like new, open, save as. Whatever we have seen till now, that will be given here. And in addition to this, we have layer, match properties, render and all. And here you can see this shows hide menu bar. If you click on this, the menu bar will not be seen. And again you can click on this icon and then just select show menu bar, so that all the menu bars will be shown on the top of the window. So now we are clear with the top shortcut menus. Next, let's look into this menu bar which are available here. First, let's click on the file menu. If you click on file menu, you have all the whatever the shortcut we have seen on the top, that will be given in the file menu. In addition to that, we have export, DWG convert, page setup manager, plot manager. These all will be used while taking the printout of the AutoCAD file. And then publish, view, plot and publish details, drawing utilities. In this you have recover file and all, drawing recovery manager, purge, everything we have. And then drawing properties, and after that this will show you some of the recently opened file. So if you wanted to open that file, you no need to go to that particular folder and then you have to click on that file and you have to open it. Instead you can just click on the name of the file and that will be open over here. So that is one easy option. And then we have exit option. If you click on this exit, you will be exited from the AutoCAD file. That means this AutoCAD window will get closed. Next option is edit option. If you click on this edit, you will be having undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, copy link, paste as a block, delete, select all, fine. These all simple options only you will be using everywhere. Next one is view option. In view we have redraw, regenerate, regen all, zoom, pan. This camera, walk and fly options we use when we do the 3D modeling, 3D model in AutoCAD. So that time this will be very useful. And we have viewport, 3D views, top, bottom, left. See, all the views are here. Now we are in this top view. In this icon also indicate the same. And then create camera, hide, visual styles, rendering, we have display, toolbars. So all we have in view option. Next, let's look into insert. So here drawing reference, drawing underlay, PDF underlay, 3D studio, drawing exchange binary. So in these and all we have in insert option. And next one is format. In format we have layer, layer states manager, layer tools. This layer is very important and also very useful tool in AutoCAD file, because when we create a drawing we will be having so many layers that we will discuss in the upcoming lectures. So in AutoCAD we have an option called this layer, so we can for each and every line or whatever the object we make in the drawing file, so we can create a separate layer for that and we can put that particular object in that particular layer, so that we will not get confused. And when we wanted to select that particular group of layers, we can only select that layer name and then we can only view that layers. And if we wanted to do any editing work or if you wanted to delete something, we can do it very easily. So that in that way this layer option will be very useful. And we have color, line type, line weight, transparency, text style, dimension style, table style, multi-leader style. This is the arrow mark which we use to indicate something in the drawing file. And point style, we have multi-line, unit, thickness, drawing limit, and then rename options. Next one is tools. We have many tools. In the workspace we have drafting and annotation, 3D basics, 3D modeling and all. I told you in the beginning, like we can change the workspace option according to our convenience. This we will discuss in the separate lecture so that you will get a clear idea about it. And then palettes we have in this ribbon, properties, layer and all we have, and toolbars we have. In that, see AutoCAD, if you click here you have many toolbars like 3D navigation, array, draw, order, insert, modeling, modify, everything we have here. Till end you have many options, many toolbars. That means what are all the tools we use in drawing, that we will be having over here. If you click on this, you can get that shortcut menus and then you can arrange it in the workspace. That I'll explain you separately. Next, command line, clean screen, spelling, quick select, draw, order. So this also very useful. If we wanted to make it something front, we can do it. Some lines or blocks we can make it front, even we can send it to back. So in that way this draw, order options will be very helpful. Isolate, inquiry, block editor. So many options we have in the toolbars. Next, let's go to draw. In this draw we have line, construction line, multi-line, polyline, polygon, rectangle, arc, circle, spline, block, table, point, hatch, gradient, boundary, region. And finally we have text option. In that we have multi-line text and then single line text. These options and all we will be using in each drawing. So this I'll explain you in a separate lecture so that you will understand clearly how we can use each tools for modeling. Next, let's see the dimension. In dimension we have linear, aligned, arc length, ordinate, radius, diameter, angular, baseline, multi-leader, oblique option, and then dimension style also we have. In drawing, every time we have to use the dimensions. We need to mark the dimensions, whether it is architectural drawing or structural drawing, MEP, plumbing, whatever the drawing we make, we need to mention the dimensions. That is very, very important one. So for that we use different dimension style that we can arrange it according to our convenience, like how much the dimension line thickness we need, how much the dimension text style we need. So those things and all we can modify it by using this option. Next one is modify menu. In this we have all the options which are used to modify the drawing, like copy, erase, mirror, move and all. So this also will discuss in the upcoming lectures how we can use all these options. Next one is parametric. In this menu bar we have few options. This we will not be using much. Next one is window. In this we have close, tile horizontally, vertically and all. So according to this we can arrange this workspace window. We have 2-3 windows open, and if we wanted to look into all the windows together, so we can use these options. And then we have help menu and then express. In this again we will be having the modify bar, draw bar and all. So that's all about this menu bars. And if we look into this shortcut menus, we have many options over here. So let's have a quick glance of this shortcut menus. These shortcuts we have discussed already we have it over here on the top. And if you look into this is cut option, copy option, paste. If you just click on the shortcut option, it will show you what is that option is for. This is for match properties, this is for block editor, undo redo command, this is a pan option, zoom option and zoom window, this is zoom previous, properties, design center, tool palettes window, and this is sheet set manager, markup set manager, quick calculator, help. This is for linear dimension. See, it shows the definition. It creates a linear dimension with horizontal, vertical or rotated dimension line. This command replaces the dimension horizontal and dimension vertical command. So this is the linear command. So as you can see in this image, this will show you the dimension like this, which is shown in the red color. This is the aligned command. So if you click on this will be giving you the aligned dimensions, and this one is arc length. This will show you the arc length, and then this is ordinate, radius, jog, diameter, angular, quick dimension, baseline. This is continuous line, dimension space, dimension break, tolerance, center mark, inspection, and many things we have. This and all used for dimension edit, and this is for dimension style. If you click on this, you will be getting this window, dimension style manager. So in this you can do whatever the changes you want. You can create a new style or you can modify it, you can override. So whatever you want, you can do it by using this dimension style manager. In the next setup line, we have layer properties manager. As I have told you before, see, we have different kind of layers. If you just click on this, you will be getting different type of layers. This layer we will discuss in the separate lecture. And then again we have over here layer current, and then layer previous, and we have layer states manager. And here we have few options. In this is for color, choosing the color. This is for choosing the line, and then here we have the line thickness. So according to this we can use. Next one is this text options, multi-line text, single line text. This is edit options, and here we have the zoom windows, pan, zoom window, zoom dynamic, zoom scale, zoom center, zoom object, zoom in, zoom out, zoom out. So all the zoom options are available over here. And if you look into this side we have all the drawing options, like draw options, draw tool options, line bar, construction line, polyline, and all. This we will discuss later. And here we have all the modify tool options like erase, copy, mirror, offset. Just if you click on that option itself, this will show you what is that option is for. So this is showing the erase option. It removes the object from a drawing. So in this way you can explore all the tools which are available in the menu bars and then toolbars. Whatever you wanted to explore, you can just do it. So I would recommend you to get familiar with the AutoCAD interface before working on the AutoCAD, so that while making the drawing you will not be facing any difficulties. And if you look down, you have the model and then layout window here. We usually work on the model workspace. From the model we can create separate layouts, and then we can take up printouts. Here we have many options. This is model, grid off and grid on. Just if you click on this, you will be getting the grid lines. If you don't want these grid lines, you can switch off this. Just if you click, it will go off. And then we have snap mode. In this we have many options: polar snap, grid snap, snap settings and all. If you click on snap settings, you will be getting this window, drafting settings. So in this object snap, you can select end point. When you use the cursor, you need some points like end point, midpoint, center and all. So that and all, whatever the options you want, you can click on this and then you can give OK. And this is a restrict cursor orthogonally, ortho mode, F8. You can use the shortcut key as F8. If you wanted to make the straight line, you can use this one on, or else you can off this one. And then we have angle, cursor angle also we have. This is isometric drafting, and then snapping reference lines, and this is for scale, and this is workspace layout. If you click on this, we have many things. As we discussed before, this workspace we will discuss separately. That's all about this AutoCAD interface. Just explore all the menu bars before start working on the workspace. So friends, let's end up this video here. Let's meet in the next lecture.